Now, I want to get into the IoT. Now, is there any file in IoT? No, by default, no. But I want to get inside IoT and I want to do something. Like I want to write a file or something like that. I want to get into IoT. I want to change my directory from /home/pi to /home/pi/IoT1. I want to get into IoT1. How do I do that? I need to use the command called as change directory IoT1. Enter. Now if you see pwd, where am I? I am in /home, I'm in /pi, I'm /IoT1. So I'm there in this particular folder. If I do list the files in this folder, nothing at all. Now what do I need to do? I need to create a particular file. How do I create a particular file? You can create using a text editor or a text editor in the terminal. It will not open up outside. A terminal text editor called as Nano. Now you want to write a file. Let's say you want to write a simple text file. Let me call it a simple text file. I don't want to make it a Python file or something like that. Alright, let's make a Python file. Let's say first.py. I'm going to make a Python file. I just want to say print hello world. Of course, if you are a newbie to Python, which you are maybe if you have taken this particular course, you may not immediately understand the construct behind it. But for now, it's easy to understand what this particular program will do. It's all that it's got to do is print it out. Okay, so all I need to do is exit, but before I exit, I need to save. Now, how do I save? I cannot save it with anything using the mouse. I need to save it with Control O. So press Control O. So it'll ask you to save. What is the file name? First.py. Do you want to change it? No. Enter. Okay. Do you want to exit? Yes. So for exiting, it is Control X. So you have Control O for, it says write out, but it's saving. Control X is for exiting. Control X is exiting. Alright. Now if I say ls, it says, hey boss, you got a file inside first.py. Now what if I want to run it? I can run it using Python, the command Python, and then I say first.py, the file name. It will print hello world for me. Are you able to understand that? If you want to change the program, again you need to open nano first.py. It will open that file for you. And you can change it whenever you want. Save it and exit. Alright. This is what you can do whenever you are starting up with a Pi at Raspberry Pi. You know, these are the few changes that you can make. Cool. Now let's understand a bit more. Let's say I want to come out of this particular current working directory, that is my /home/pi/IoT. I want to come back. I don't want to go more deeper. I want to go back outside. I want to go to /home/pi. If you want to go to /home/pi, you can do a cd change directory and then a space and then say ... When you say ... enter, it goes one step behind. Okay, so now if you see the pwd, it will say it is in /home/pi. Okay, I want to go to /home now. I want to get out of pi 2. I can do a cd ... enter. Cool. So now if I say pwd, you are in /home. Okay, and if you say ls, there is only one folder and that is pi. If you want to get into pi, it is cd pi, right? And then if you do an ls, okay, these are the things. If you want to get out of ls, of pi, cd ... I want to get out of home, cd ... ls. Where are you now? You are in /. How do I know? pwd, you are in /. The main working directory /. So this is what you have therein. And you have these many folders, which we already saw in our file manager in /. These many folders were there. In these folders, you have the /home and the /pi. Now, one of the ways to go in back into /home/pi is like this: cd home, cd pi, and then if I do a pwd, it's /home/pi. But what if there is another way? You are now in / and you want to get into /home/pi. There is another way. Just say change directory. I want to get into /home/pi directly. Now if I do a pwd, it will say it is in /home/pi. So you can directly change the directory with the extension name completely, or then you change the directory one after another. Is that clear? All right. Maybe, one day I want to go into the etc folder, which is there in the slash. If I want to do that, I can directly go like this: cd slash where? Slash etc. I don't want to go anywhere else. Now if I do pwd, where are you? You are in slash etc. But if I do a cd dot dot, where am I? I'm in slash ls. So now again I can change to slash home slash pi. Okay, so I hope you've got some idea about how to use them. All right, let's go into IoT1. Okay, say for example, IoT folder. There's nothing in that particular folder right now, right? I want to delete this folder. I don't want it. I don't like it. Okay, an empty folder. I just want to delete it. How do I delete it? Just as you made a directory using mkdir, I can remove a directory by using rmdir, remove directory. And then I just need to say IoT, enter. Now if I say ls, IoT will not be there, only IoT1 is there. Okay, I go into IoT1 and I don't want this particular, there's one particular file first.py which I created. I don't want that particular file that I created. I want to remove it. I don't want it. How do I remove it? Now it is a file. I can't use rmdir because rmdir means remove directory. But I just need to use rm. Wait, rm is remove what? First.py. Okay, first.py is gone. You don't have a first.py anymore. Okay, so with this we have understood how to use a few of these Linux commands and how to basically go about with the IoT applications. Hope this is very clearly understood. And with this we conclude this particular topic. That is, we can anytime access the terminal. So now, as I told you in the earlier session, you can do the SSH very easily. Let's say I can show it to you very quickly once again. Go to party, SSH 192.168.3.101, open, login as Pi, Raspberry, and then it will tell me ls. So I can use any of the things. Ls, as I know IoT1 is there. I can get into IoT1 by using cd IoT1. I can make a file by saying nano first.py. The same things, I can do it from my desktop directly by logging into my command line using SSH hello world, right? Control O, yes, Control X, Python first.py, hello world. Yes? Okay, so these are a few things that you can do. I can remove first.py, and now first.py is not there. I go back outside. I want to remove my IoT1 rmdir IoT1 folder. I'll just remove that. ls IoT1 is no more. Okay, so you can even change directory, go back outside, right? Or you can go into a particular directory by saying change directory into Pi. So you have a various number of options when you do a command line interface like this. So you may be just having a command line many times when you do SSH, but you should be able to get about this and get your commands done. Hope this is very clearly understood.